At Pratt Industries, we provide sustainable corrugated packaging solutions made from 100% recycled containerboard. Our expertise in industry segments, branding and design, and e-commerce allows us to help our customers better serve their end users. The process begins with the collection of recycled materials. We work with businesses and communities to recover old corrugated containers and mixed paper products, thereby diverting it from the landfill. These materials supply our network of 100% recycled paper mills, strategically placed across the country, and which manufacture the containerboard our box plants use to produce corrugated sheets. The corrugated sheets are taken to one of our converting facilities, where we work with customers to develop sustainable custom packaging and point-of-purchase display solutions designed to customer specifications. When the product is complete, we provide logistics support, including Pratt's own independent and modern trucking fleet, Pratt Logistics, to deliver that sustainable product to our customers. Whether that's a distribution center, retail location, or delivered directly to the customer. And we do it all with a customer-first approach. Then we start the whole process all over again. Pratt Industries, where sustainability is always part of the package.